Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader. This is Marie. Today let's see what the market had to offer. Yesterday we have an interesting afternoon with some reports like AMD report and really tank on that report. It's like the expected move was between 7 to 10%. It's like it went a little bit more than that, and really tanking. Like we were trading this at 118. Now it's trading at 107. So I just gonna mute this thing. That's let's see. The market's still looking strong. Let's see, it's have done a nice uptrend for now. So Marie, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. I'm right now. I'm working on thawing, like incredible cold this morning. Ay ay ay.
Yeah,
But the market seems to be hot still.
yeah, it's,
But like you say, could be a little bit of a pullback. But yeah, look at Nvidia go.
yeah. Nvidia is flying right now. So
And if we're
very
looking at the
interesting.
positions and the tape, ooh, yeah. I think I'm going to be putting an order right now at 120.
Yeah, I think I don't know if I missed the boat, but I think I missed the boat on that one.
Yeah, no,
Yeah, I did miss the boat.
I'm putting an order right now at 120.
Do you have any big sizes at 120?
120 is the biggest size when we're pulling back. So when we're looking at 120, there's nothing. There's literally nothing anywhere except 120 that is a little bit high. I'm trying to get my other tape here. So at 120 is the biggest size. That's close. We're talking close, about 150. Besides that, there's nothing. After that, we are looking at the biggest after that would be 113 at 257, and we've got less than 200 lots at the psychological, so 117, all that good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So, but yeah, I'm gonna be putting. Let's just go a little bit of a buy there at 120. There we go. It's there. Okay, so
Yeah,
Nvidia
probably
is doubling the volume right now. The second one that's there, and that would be Hoover. That's the second one. Like when we're looking at Nvidia, the stack that we have, starting at 120.89, going to 121 is very significant. And then we've got 122, we've got 250 lots, 300 lots at 123. It's significant on the offer for sure. We'll see what it's going to do if it's able to pull back. 120, like we've got the VWAP at 119.9. It might just go without, but we'll see. It's just a small little position at 120.
Understood.
What did you want to add for Nvidia, Davey?
No, Nvidia, like as I told you, I was working this morning a little bit earlier on these things, and like I saw Nvidia like pretty much around the VWAP here, and I said, this looks like a good buy here.
Yeah.
And I hesitate, and like I say, I don't want to be sitting down here like just watching the position. So, go without me for sure, and that's okay. And just as I think I moved my stop, not my stop, my entry. I moved it to 120.47, 120.50 around,
Okay.
because like there is a little sideways move here, and like
Oh, that's a lot of volume right there, right?
yeah, like the 120 is looking like the what, as you say, like it may skip it by a little bit. Not sure about that. Let's see. But looking way strong Nvidia. So so I'm gonna put that 120 as the biggest order, and okay, I'm just gonna erase that. So now we have this line here, 120. So whenever you want, we can jump into the next.
Okay. So the next one is Hoover. Hoover.
Uber.
Uber. Not Hoover.
Uber is a short to me.
So let's see. Why?
So bad that I'm willing to jump now on it. Now let's take a little bite of that Uber.
Okay, so when we're looking at Uber, it's been trading. It was trading. It has a level of support, an important level of support, and that's at what is that? Let me put that line there. That's a little. So it's at 59.50. So 59.50, and that's in December. It was trading the 59.50 as an important level of support. So you're saying that you see Uber, geez Louise, Uber as a short, maybe?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
There was very big level that it fell through, so it could go long maybe, but I don't see it going long. So let's see if you want to break the low of the day.
The only concern that I have is since this morning, once that it hit that 64,
It bounced aggressively.
well, it bounced aggressively, and it doesn't seem to since then want to make a lower low.
Yeah, but
If
if you
I
see at the
look-
tape, look, do you see that there is more seller than buyer right now? And it has been like that for long. So now, I think it's gonna go like 64, 18 exactly. And then, that's a okay trade for me if you go there. But I am expecting it to not hold the 64.18.
Okay.
So the VWAP, it went during the pre-market and it rejected. Maybe it's gonna go back to the VWAP. So if we go back, I priced in that I want to add to at the VWAP, depending how it react.
Okay. Yeah.
So like
Okay. So I've wrote the level for me 64. That seems to be
clean.
clean there. And then the 60 is important. So 60, that's a very important level of support there. So we'll see what. So that could be a $4 move. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, next one, AMD.
Yeah.
That one I'm interested in seeing what's happening there. So when we're looking at AMD, so AMD has not traded at the level of 107, and we're talking here in 2023. So the last time that we're looking at October, yeah. So we're looking here, this is November 1st. So November 1st, 2023, in AMD has not reached that level. So when we're looking at there, so the level of support that was found there, let me put that line there. So that would be 102. Wow. 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 102. Yeah, could be 10. Yeah. That range 102 to 104, that's insane. Wow, they really didn't like it, eh?
Yeah. It's sell off a lot.
So the low, so we're talking here. So yesterday, and now the I want to see the pre-market low and see how that combines to the tape. And that's about 1.7. Oh, well, look at that. We've got a pretty hefty. So at 107, we've got almost 200 lot. Surprise to surprise, at the 103, we've got 106 lot. Wow. It's trading a whole lot, very close to the VWAP right now, but I'd like to see it pop back. You'd think that 107 would be a great price to buy. What do you think?
I don't know. To me, it's looking like a short.
Right now, yes. I want to see it.
We don't know if we're gonna have more sellers jumping in. What looks like when you look at the tape, 108 is very interesting for the short. Um, yeah, like the line is about 108 is looking like a decent short, but I gotta drop off a line there at 108.
I'd like to go 107 long, but we'll see. I'm not going to take it. Ahead. But I'm considering the 107 long.
That one is gonna move a lot. So
Look at NVIDIA.
yeah, Nvidia without us moving, I guess
Yep.
it's okay.
We're still leaving it there. Okay.
Now I don't want it, I'm gonna cancel that order. No, it's not that I don't want it because it is good. It's very good. It's just I wanna see it. I'm gonna maybe play the other way whenever we get there. If you look at SPY is yeah, it's okay. Let's see what Nvidia wants to do, and there's no reason why to rush it. Something I could do maybe is to see if at the open it wants to pull back. And if it does pull back at the open, to join the...
That's why I'm leaving it there.
Yeah, I understand that logic. In my case, I'm gonna wait to see the reaction.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you. RGTI, what the heck? I looked at RGTI yesterday and wow, look at that.
Yeah. I was looking at this one, but... Chop.
1350 sounds interesting. Yep. 1350, that's just the market today. I don't think that it's going to let us get our best price. Look at BBAI.
Yeah, I look at the one. Yeah. I won't rush it. As I said previously, like I'm gonna take it very slow. I think there is no need for me to rush whatever the market wants to do. So SPY is in a point where it's going to take a direction, like maybe it already took that direction toward the upside.
It's pulling back.
But exactly like you see here, like in the longer time frame, that's the candle where I say, oh, you need to take a direction. It may go back down here and then push back up. Like it could do a pullback, maybe a little bit below the VWAP, and then go back up. But this price is compressing, and it's clearly compressing. Like I mean, this was yesterday. So
Agreed.
yeah, today is looking more longish.
So do you want to take a look at PLTR just for that fun of it?
Yeah, this thing is holding that gap
So
quite well. So
102.50. And this definitely PLTR does not have as much volume as Nvidia and Uber. Nvidia right now is still popping. Okay, so I'm going to move my order now to. We've got a big one of. You know what? No. No. I'm standing firm. Wow. Who am I? Okay. Oh, Uber's doing what I thought it would do. We were talking about the interacting at the VWAP for Uber.
Oh yeah, is there?
Is there?
Let me add a little bit there.
You're already in the position.
Yeah.
Oh, you took it. Aye, aye. Foof. Foof. Okay. I like the fact that AMD has a lot of volume this morning. Okay, snap. Ooh, snapping.
Yeah, I saw Snap this
Yeah,
morning.
11 looks really good.
So
Nvidia pulling back. I like that. RGTI pulling back. AMD pulling up. That looks good. For what I was saying, along at 107. We'll see how much pull it's gonna get. 107 now is over 200. For AMD. So Snap is entering a stack and not doing much. Wow. Look at Google's pullback from yesterday.
yeah, Google having
What
under pressure.
happened?
Google is in troubles.
Okay, what is that, Wick? High of 209.51. And pre-market. Wow. 187.12. That's $20. Wow. $20 drop. Oof. Wow, the volume of buyers on Uber is nuts, eh? When
Yeah,
you're
it's-
looking at the volume candles there. VWAP and RSI are really curling back up. But that 5-minute candle is very, very bearish. Okay. Nvidia. For 5 minutes, is there anything that you, before your alarm sings?
No, like a PLTR, I was trying to get a trade on PLTR, but like basically, I have to go only tape on that one.
Okay.
Because chart wise, yes, like I know it makes little sense here, but like I have to ignore so much for me to be like, let's say this is very solid here, but it makes no sense when I try to attach it. So, and I wanna make it worse my idea, so it will be like that. Yeah, it's looking like a short right now. Though I, I have lack of confidence on that one. Like, and I told you yesterday with the idea of those levels, like being more clear. Like what I see is that I miss Nvidia very clear, like because I didn't want to jump into pre-market, but then I jump into Uber pre-market, so it's like debatable there. But Nvidia, like, if I have to say something, probably until they go to 24, I won't be going short. But like I will be looking to get long on it.
Okay.
I just need to find a spot that I feel comfortable with, and I'm gonna be jumping Nvidia long. Maybe that makes some sense. Like, let's say it can maybe offer a big pullback at the open. I don't know,
Hey,
but yeah. So that basically is the idea. Nvidia long, if I can get a decent price. So like right now, when I look at the tape, 121 seems to be sweet.
121 is big. That's why I was saying. She said, "Am I moving my order to 121?"
I'm gonna drop off an order at 121. Let's see. Orders in. I put an order for 121 on NVDA. PLTR is the one I'm gonna watch the closest. Sorry.
No.
In Uber, I see what about bad price I have. So
No.
it's still okay, but I have it's a very bad price.
For which one? For Hooper?
Yeah.
Hey.
Sorry. It's like this goes not gonna get.
Yeah, it seems pretty bad. Coughing a lot.
To be honest, I felt that he come back like it's coming back.
It's a wicked one.
Okay, we have 2 minutes for the open. I already have a position on Uber. Maybe bigger than what I would like to, but because now Uber is gonna move either way. Sorry, that Uber is gonna move a lot. So AMD maybe it will bounce from around that 107, as you say.
That's the line. I've got 107 and 107.14. And that could be very interesting.
Nvidia was funny. It is funny.
Okay.
Look how far it's gone. Like, yeah, it's just flying. I guess that what is bad, very bad for AMD is very good for NVDA. Because that just...
Look at SMCI.
What is SMCI? I had such a long time without hearing that name. What is that?
What is that? I don't know that's SMCI. I have no idea what that is.
Okay, 10 seconds for the open. I feel comfortable with the offer on Nvidia. Yes, I do.
Have fun.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Oh. Ooh la la, Nvidia.
Check that volume candle on Hoover.
Yeah. I'm gonna be holding that one for a little bit. Nvidia, I don't want it. I really don't want Nvidia anymore. Good. What is SPY doing?
Pulling back.
Okay. So this is the time where we need to look at the tape for that NVDA, if we're gonna do anything with it. Skyrocketing this NVDA, 2285. We'll say 23 probably. There is still like if I get there, it's a whole dollar. So no, I want to have a better price. Yeah, let's just watch Nvidia. I think it's nice, but AMD breaking down. Then I guess Uber is gonna follow through. Uber is gonna be a good trade, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But 5 minutes, so I have to pay attention to the 5 minute alarm today. That's just because of the Nvidia trade. If I want, okay, Nvidia is pulling back down. Come on, Nvidia.
I'm building a position on SMCI.
SMCI, okay.
Could be getting out. We will see.
Trying to get Nvidia. And I couldn't get Nvidia. Come on, Nvidia. Come on, my guy, you can do it. Get me in. If we are across the 23, I'm not jumping in. No, like I wanna go long because he pulled back decently.
Okay.
But I have a line at 23 because there is a big guy at 23. So if he touched the 23, I don't want the long. But before he touch it, I want it.
Okay.
There we go. I don't think I'm asking for a lot, but because it's the opening price. What I'm asking for, which is 21.77. There we go. I got it. So I got that NVDA, and now let's go to 23.24. And let's remember we are looking at the tape, and what that tape is saying is that we can get something like 23.50 maybe. So, and then we flip. Uber, I'm not getting out of Uber until 64.18. I actually gonna put a little bite at Uber at the price. Yeah, cover half of it right there. Order is in for Uber, and BDA is doing very well. Uber is trying to catch back up.
Nope. You're going through. I'm gonna try
And
to get a price,
I don't
better
know,
price.
never seen that stock that you're trading there.
Let's see how you react at 30.
Come on, BDA.
What a wiki on NVIDIA?
Mm-hmm.
What is that all about?
Yeah, like the one toward the hop side.
What?
That's a checkout move in both directions there. So you need to be patient with that one. Uber, as I say, that's a okay trade for now. So yeah, I'm glad I was disciplined to hold. I have my partial right here, and let's go there. Let's go there, Uber. What is AMD doing?
It is now very close. It's trading at 107.25.
Oh yeah. I will go short whatever around that 108, as close as possible to 108. Nvidia is not holding good, so I need to check SPY because yeah, SPY is okay. So Nvidia is gonna go. We just have to be a little bit more patient. I'm only trading the stock that I had the time to work on the levels this morning.
Mm-hmm.
So in the case of a SPY, it's a must. You have a SPY, so
It's monstrous. PLTR.
yeah. What did PLTR do? PLTR. Oh yeah, great PLTR. Great for you, my guy. Uber.
SPY's pulling back.
Amelia, what are you doing, Macaya?
It's gonna get me soon. And they got. Okay, the 107's coming in on. There we go. Took a little bite of AMD. And I've got my position on NVIDIA that I put in before pre-market. Market is still bullying.
Mm-hmm.
Printing in both. 50 cents in the money on AMD and 50 cents in the money on NVIDIA. Like you say, good price, very important. Oh, that's how you do it. Da-na-na-na-na. Whoo! Dollar in the money in NVIDIA. Woo! Me gusta. Oh, dollar club in both trades. We need to get a little something for that.
Yeah, I'm working on that.
On the dollar.
I have
club.
it open here.
NVIDIA, let's go. Okay, and you know what? NVIDIA, I'm gonna be disciplined. Right there. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see the tape. Oh, no. 122.50. I should wait for NVIDIA. But we did find some sellers at 122, but we're still pushing the price up. AMD, what are you doing? What are you gonna do at the VWAP? Are you gonna give me an opportunity to add? I like. Okay. No, you did not give me an opportunity to add, so I'm gonna leave you as that and break even on both. Are we still having sellers there? Yep. Okay, maybe we'll have an opportunity. SPY. Bullish candle opening.
Go Nvidia. Yeah, AMD I will be going short, as I told before. It's
Mm-hmm.
that 108 is the best short price. Uber is less attractive than AMD for the short, but still attractive, I guess. So.
Is it?
Hmm. Yeah, like AMD is manifesting more the short than Uber, like faster,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, Nvidia, Nvidia is being funny.
Nvidia, funny? That never happens. What are you in, David?
Uber short and Nvidia long,
Okay.
and on Nvidia I'm a bit confused with something, but like I guess the way it is manifesting is it does want to go long higher and higher,
Mm-hmm.
and Uber is just like fighting for its low, but kind of making lower lows, also higher highs if we say, but I don't believe it's gonna go too high. So what is SPY doing? SPY is
Pulling.
pulling back. So from where is SPY pulling back? Let's see. Yeah, that should be okay yet. So let's look at that table in BDA. So right now we have 2150, 121.50, very relevant. So mm-hmm. 22.
Nice. Spies at the VWAP.
Once it print 23, I'm gonna be breaking even on BDA. If ever I print that number, because it's not looking like right now.
No?
No. But I guess it's normal. What are you trading, Ruby?
NVIDIA and AMD.
Mm.
Printing them both because I got a good price.
No.
I like the fact that AMD is holding the 107. It's been there for quite a long time.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm looking at the tape, looking at that price action, how it's manifesting.
Mm-hmm. It's probably something not nice right now.
No. Right now though it's an important level. At the 6. Is this tape flipping on NVIDIA?
Not yet.
No.
It might be about to flip at 2250 or 22 between 2225 and 122.50.
Yeah, there's a nice stack there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Really nice stack there.
AMD flushing. Did you capture that like about $1 push down?
No.
Um, Even PLT are under stress. So
Okay, so now SPY is exactly at the 50. Still in your trade, Stevie?
Mm-hmm. Really testing my patience. Like it has been requiring a lot of effort to stay in those trades.
Mm-hmm.
Um, like Nvidia. A little bit concerned about Nvidia, based on what PLTR, what SPY is doing.
Mm-hmm. We just found buyers in SPY. Not sure if it's going to be enough, but to feed our longs. I don't like the wicks on Nvidia though.
No, me neither, but it's still solid. So
SPY is just flushing. Bounce at 121.80 Nvidia because holy cannoli. Do not like what's happening.
buyers went away now, so I
Mhm.
might be out of that trade for good. Let's see. Yeah, buyers went away. Um,
Okay, so now SPY's at the 200. Reprinting 121.80. What are you gonna do at 122? Nice. Oh, I like that. There we go. And SPY reacting very nicely to the 200. Yeah, made. What a beautiful. 50 cents in the money for AMD.
you are low.
Yeah. Like you said, though, watching water boil at the 107. We'll see what's going to happen there. Tape is flipping. I like it. So A and B.
Unfortunately, I'm gonna be breaking even Nvidia. I don't like what it did there. So nice push, but if you don't want to go clean, I don't want to be there. So that Uber have been so annoying. Like such a long time to get whatever you want to get.
Right? $1.50. Whew.
Now we're talking Nvidia. 23.
Davey, look at that.
Hehe.
Wink. Oh, Are you
Like,
proud of your student?
it's very nice because like when you got filled there, like
Look at the tickets.
I was hearing you like and I was looking at it too because it was flushing. So I say very nice. She really wait for her entry.
I waited for my. Are you not proud?
Yes,
That
I am.
who the heck am I?
It's yeah, it was kind of unthinkable that it would get there, but it did.
You did. How many times, eh? How many times in the morning do we say that? Like, there's no way it's gonna go there. There's no way it's gonna go there, and we really truly believe there's no way it's gonna get there.
I'm happy because I found my way into MBDA,
Mm-hmm.
but at the same time, it's a trade that we saw coming so long ago that is yeah, we can do better.
$2
So
in the money for Nvidia.
now the question is, do I want to go out at 23.50 or do I want to go out at 24?
Spy's really.
Like this, I know it's
Look at the wick on Spy though. Look at that. Did you see the wick on Spy?
no, I didn't see it yet. Spy, ooh, spy. Yeah, but spy is that's spy is hell strong. So did I get any losses today? No, I didn't get any losses yet. Yeah, spy is looking okay. I'm concerned with the spy too, but like uh why I'm concerned about spy?
Why are you concerned about Spy?
Uh, so I just gonna put an order to be all out on MBDA. At 124.0. MBDA. Okay, I have my order to go all out on MBDA.
Okay.
And yeah, why I'm concerned about Spy? Because Spy is let's see how I can illustrate this. Yeah, look exactly that. That is, it has like an invert hammering. So Spy is looking tanking-ish. Nvidia is on its own today compared to Spy. It's suffering some pressure from the Spy. Look how it's coming back in. You remember I told you that once it print 23, I don't wanna jump in the long or play with the long. So and we are in that time where we already print 23. That's why I say if you get me out, I'm gonna be okay. Uh, but it shouldn't get me out if I am correct.
No, the 122.50 was important. It came in, and as soon as it printed 122.50, it printed 160 very quickly, and now 70. And
Cool.
that's Nvidia.
Yeah, yeah. I think he wants to print 24. I know the best case scenario is 24.32 to 24.36. If we go 24.36, once you print 24, I am happily looking for shorts. Uber is fantastic. It's printing good. So yeah, it's okay, Uber. I know you're gonna you're gonna do a couple move that are gonna be funny there because it makes sense. But no, it's okay. I'm okay with you, my guy. Okay. Breaking even on Uber. I have moved enough. Both trades I'm breaking even. So,
Okay.
so to exercise what I was telling you yesterday, 24 here. Like if I have a vertical line here,
Yeah,
which
that
we're
would
gonna
make
do
sense.
right there,
Mhm.
vertical line. What is the conversion here? 24.36.
And if you're looking at the tape,
So
that's pretty much dead on.
so that's why I say like it's where to look at. So
Mhm.
until we print 24, we don't really need to look for it. But that's why I'm going about 24. If I want to go the other direction,
Mhm.
I have to wait for it to print 24. Why? Because before 24, the extension is not there yet. It's like I'm looking for this, and this is only 3 days touch. In 3 days, it have been clearly interacting here, here, and today is pending. But today is at 24.36. The difference is that yesterday it make a higher high because this was previously here. So yesterday, like if it does the same that it did yesterday, which is unlikely because SPY is under pressure already. Yeah, SPY is really tanking. So yeah, if it does the same than yesterday, it's gonna print slightly higher. But yeah,
So it'll be there. I
once
want 24.
yeah once it prints 24, I'm gonna pretty much automatically flip. Um,
Oh, that will require so much patience. Mm.
we're trading AMD.
Oh, that required so much patience. Building that position there. Brr. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go back to NVIDIA. I want to check that.
Yeah, it's coming back down.
Well, 122.80. I wanted to hold 122.80. We've got some buyers there.
Does this look like it
There
could
we
be like
go.
23?
Oh. Yeah. Yep. Found a bunch of support there at the 80. Let's go. Let's go. I am tempted though at 123 to get some,
Out.
a partial.
Mm-hmm.
SPY pushing back up.
Mm.
Found some support at 599. Is it gonna hold it there?
Yeah. Spy. Okay, now, yeah. Come on, Nvidia. Now is the moment for you to push.
Mm-hmm. At 50. Position coming up.
But
What
Nvidia
did it
is not
do?
holding.
50. Oosh. It's holding. It's holding. Holding, but I don't think. Yeah, let's go. Hey, Dumbo. Wow. Okay, we've got orders going through, and it doesn't seem to be pushing the price up. Pretty than 40, okay. And 50.
So the one I'm gonna start trimming is that Uber. So let's take a little bit out there. That's the button there. Okay, so Uber. Okay, so Uber, I say I want to start trimming it. Yeah, let's not be picky with it. I just trim it there. it's a good trade.
Nice.
So it's a very nice trade. So Nvidia, I see SPY calling back up. So Nvidia is your time, Agar. It's your time.
Mm-hmm.
So in Uber, we're gonna be breaking even yet. Let's go back to NVDA. So NVDA. AMD, yeah.
Is that the flip on NVIDIA? I believe it did.
What can I say, Marie? And technically, it should work yet. But this time, I think I'm gonna get all out at 23 instead of at 24. And yeah, it's a little bit more complex, maybe. Uber, I gotta trim a little bit more on Uber. Just like this market is so slow.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see Uber. Yeah, you see, Nvidia is coming back up. I like to take AMD, but I don't know where I want to like. Well, I know where. I'm not there yet. Oh, I have to ring the bell because I trimmed Uber.
That's true. That's true.
The patience that is having requiring is crazy. So, yeah, there we go. There we go. Nvidia really showing some strength right there.
Yep.
And
SPY is at the 2. Is it gonna pull back down from there?
SPY is okay. I see. Let's go out a little bit here. Yeah, SPY is not looking that good to me.
Mm-mm.
I'm very concerned about this double top here. So that's why I am willing to go out on the BDA very soon. What is SPY percentage?
Yeah, the range.
Yeah, that thing is not there. It is. We don't have it there anymore. So SPY, we're gonna be there now. So SPY, okay, there we go. SPY is red right now by the average, which is 0.31. So technically, SPY should be pushing back up based on the number, which is very, very, very average. So Uber is also claiming a little bit high there. So Yeah, let's go back in a lower time frame. Yeah, looking good. Let's say. Um,
Spies approaching now. As crossed at 200. Now is trading at the 50.
I want to see Spy breaking that double top he made there. I don't know how. Like, it was not that clean because it was first. It last a long time here, like at
Mm-hmm.
9:30, and then it wicked at around nine. No, at around 10. So, but it's not holding the VWAP, so that's part of my concern here. The NVDA, mm, come on NVIDIA, I believe on you, my guy. A trade I don't want to forget about is AMD. AMD, um, yeah, it's not a term for me yet, but it's gonna get to term very soon. It says it's walking away actually. It's just going down like hell.
Okay, we've got a ginormous order coming in at 106.80 as a buyer.
On AMD,
Yeah.
yeah. How do I like to say? Watch and go.
I agree. Watch it go. Okay, so Spy seems to want to find some push. I don't like the wick. Hmm. So what's it gonna happen at 122?
I think it's gonna bounce.
That makes sense.
I'm not too confident about it due to a spike,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, it's holding good. Of course, like the waves moving is scary around there, but yeah, see,
What I don't like is it's Spy the way that he does the the wicks.
it's violent. Yeah, that's why I like. It's like right now, the spy is very confusing because like it was clean, and then like.
Mm-hmm.
But if I have to say, it's a long. It's not a short. Like I know it's not respecting the VWAP for now, but which level it pierces twice, and in which one you make a double top. The upside. Sorry.
Are you taking something for your cough?
No. But I think I'm gonna have to. I have you and the rest of the world saying take something. Well, it's like but like
Well,
it's not getting
you're
better.
lucky
So
to
I'm gonna
have
have
so many people care for you.
to. Yeah, like that's for sure. I love that. It's just
It could be annoying, eh?
no, like I have.
Wherein everybody's being a Captain Obvious.
It's like I'm not a fan of taking medicine,
No.
and
Well, the best, we know what the best medicine is.
okay, yeah. So I guess that when somebody's playing Captain Obvious, it's a little bit.
Yeah, right? It's really,
It
it
be a
is.
little bit too much.
Exactly, right? It can be annoying when people pull the Captain Obvious.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's been around for a while.
Yeah, that's why I say I may take some because
Mm-hmm.
okay, there we go. And that's gonna get me out.
Is it?
Yeah. The acceleration toward the VWAP was crazy.
Let's go.
Didn't get me out by the penny.
I was going to say.
And then you move quite aggressively.
Crossing, SPY is crossing all indicators right now. Overnight VWAP and VWAP.
They are a bit too close, so I kind of don't like when they are that close. That's why.
It's true, right? They are very close.
Yeah, well, in any stock that we are watching, like I normally don't like when the levels are very close to the price. Like it's good if you got the right direction, but normally it's even harder to determine the direction when it's
That makes
that
sense.
close.
Mm-hmm.
So. So, Mira, let me get a little bit more annoyed by you. So, what is that line there?
What a wick.
That's a short. So, I want you to go above and tell me I'm not a short.
Can it tell you that?
Like what?
122.
Because that will be the secondary trend. Like, and it is holding good, the 22. It's not that bad. Like, I mean, the way it's holding the 22 is saying, you know what, I don't want to flush.
No.
But SPY's not helping that much right now.
SPY's crossing. And holding the 600.
Mm-hmm.
Oof, that was a push. That was a healthy
Okay,
push.
now we are.
That was a healthy push from SPY. Wow. Healthy push from SPY. Reprinting 122.
And we have to be aware that we were doing the same at around 21.
Exactly, right? Exactly.
So it's
Well
like
said, well said.
every $1 there is a little fight to go for.
Mm-hmm.
And
People are taking some partials,
Partial, yeah.
right?
there we go. Then we're gonna have the 123, which maybe gonna be the same situation. Though at the 123, I will be like, I am looking short from 124.
SPY still pushing.
Uber is nice, so I'm gonna take a little partial on Uber one more time.
Nice.
Jala. Nvidia, I have my order to go out on Nvidia completely.
You said a 120.
It's 124,
Oh, okay.
but I told you that I may consider to go out at 123 because of how we are trading around here.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not even offering the 123, so but the SPY is holding the VWAP. Everything is looking okay-ish now. So probably this can go without getting me out. But if you get me out, I prefer to be out than to take a loss on the trade.
Do you want to laugh? Do you want to look at the position at 125?
125. Yeah, that's like, I mean, I don't know in the tape. I didn't look at the tape, but the chart, like, I need Orca.
Let me go back. I'm flipping between AMD and Nvidia.
Yeah, it's an Orca. It's
Yeah, it's
1,400 lot.
A what?
1,459.
But you know what's funny? On Arca?
What's funny?
Look at it now.
At the same price or where?
Yeah, look at it now. Is it there?
Yeah, it's still there.
At 125?
Yeah.
No, I don't see it.
Yeah.
Mine is
I
gone.
know
It's
that.
128 now.
We keep having that problem.
At
with the tapes.
128. I got
Yeah.
it.
It's right there.
Let me see.
125.
Yep.
And then
Oh, it came back.
you say you have a 128.
Mm-hmm.
God, I remember the first time we had that problem. Like, I just reset the computer, and the orders came back. But you don't want to be resetting your computer.
No,
while
in
you're
the middle of
trading.
a trade, right? SPY pushing. Okay,
SPY.
Nvidia is losing the 122. I really don't like that. It seems like we keep flipping on the tape. It's reprinting 122. Big order that's coming at once.
Look at that behavior there on Nvidia.
Look at SPY.
Yeah, SPY is rock and rolling finally. So
Frig.
ay. Snap just got snap. Look at snap. That's
That's a snap.
they.
And what did we say? We said 1250.
Yeah, and it's a thing.
But we said 1250 was going to be the snap. Did it snap?
It went up even higher, but like it went up higher yesterday. Today, no, today it didn't. The high of today was 1206.
It did not.
Okay, now some influx come into the market. I'm glad I had the patience with Nvidia, but like it doesn't mean the trade's gonna work. It just means like maybe now we have higher probability, but that behavior here around the VWAP
And look at
was
SPY.
very yucky. And yeah, SPY is pumping up, trying to hold that VWAP, very nice. And yeah, it's. I'm trying to be bias free, but like AMD.
Big pullback from SPY.
Accelerating there. The SPY is not behaving like if this is a short.
No.
So like, I'm hesitating to flip on Nvidia for now. I'm gonna take the profit from Uber just
Okay.
because I think the slowdown there is I'm like it's exactly at the price like it slowed down where I wanted to slow down, where I want to see it slowing down. So like um 64 pretty much as like what was that a 60 well yeah that have more downside apparently. So am I breaking even on the street? I think I am. Yes, I am.
On which one?
In Uber, in both of them actually.
Okay.
Because what I see now is that we have the intentionality of going lower. So if he wants to go lower, why would I rush it into be out? go. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take half or whatever I have left,
Okay.
and then the rest I'm gonna be okay leaving it for good. So if you get me out, I'm gonna be okay. But let's take just that's Uber. This is Uber. Everything's Uber. Okay. So I took partial there. We're ring the bell,
Nice.
and we'll let it go whatever it wants to go. And is Nvidia finally above 123? No, not yet.
Nope.
No, not yet.
Not close.
So then what I need to check is AMD because I want to take a trade on AMD. And that trade you remember you say Nvidia can you tell us that? Like now it tells us that. Like now you see like the trend line it clear for good. You remember when we were there?
Yes,
So
yes,
now
yes,
it's
yes.
clean.
So now it's clean.
So, of course, guys, don't sleep on that. No, it's like you have to manage your trade anyways. It's just a technicality that is not too technical.
Well, it's technical.
Okay, so I have my order to get out at 24. I'm gonna hold my order at 24 on Nvidia because I see the market is that strong. So I saw your size at 25, so the 1,400 lot. So if that want to manifest, I'm gonna see it going, but like I won't be on the trade for it. So at 124, I will unwell pay. So then I'm gonna be looking for the reversal because like let's see what spies as I say spies clearing up toward the upside. Sorry. So because spies clearing up toward the upside, I kind of don't want to limit the move on the BBA. And yeah, there we go. We're gonna clean that 23 now. Might be a little bit more clean if I am correct in the direction. Then we go printing 23. Okay. As I say, I'm gonna take a little bite on AMD.
For long?
No, Jose. 107. I drop off an order at 107. I got it right away because it is there. So I'm not going low on AMD. Though I have a long in my long-term account.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
That's funny
Yeah.
that you would trade opposite.
Definitely not the smartest decision on that long-term account, but it's okay. Handle it. You remember how beautiful your charts look like? Look at the AMD in that 2-minute chart. it's
Flat. But I've been watching the price action now since the opening.
And he's telling you.
That the price is compressing right there. That's why I've been so. That's why I put that line. There is been a very, and it has not lost it a whole lot, and it's really close to the VWAP. This is such a good price. Okay, people, this is a great price to buy Nvidia. AMD at 107. Come on, let's jump in. Let's have fun. Let's have a little party.
I disagree, but it's normal. We disagree many things, so I
It's
disagree
true,
on that one.
which is quite healthy. I like that. Come on, people. 107. What a bargain. What a bargain.
Mhm.
SPY is pulling back a wee bit. So you still have your order to come out at
On NVDA,
mm-hmm.
at 124. No more, no less. For now.
Nice. Did AMD get you out?
No, no, no. I'm quiet, lady. You will have to pull out the nice maneuver for you to get me out.
Okay, let me try.
I like it.
Let me try.
Yeah, it's like it's hard to hold, but those are bigger trades in general. Like I mean, like it's hard to hold because like if you see, I had 2 trades, now 3 with AMD,
Mm-hmm.
but I had 2 trades, and
Me
it's
too.
the same I had from the open. Not done anything with that more than take partial in Uber. In Uber, I took partial in Uber. Now I'm breaking even. You know, like in both trades, I have 0 risk. The only one I do have risk on is AMD. But as I say, we'll have to do a nice maneuver for it to get me out.
Okay, I'm trying on the maneuver. It should happen soon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good luck with that. I understand you, but
Okay, I'm working on it. It should happen soon. The maneuver.
Marie,
You,
it's not how it works, you know?
of course it is. Come on. Isn't it?
Of course, because we're a counter, one of us is gonna win that bet, but
Mm-hmm.
do I think it's gonna be Marie? Hell no.
How much you want to do?
No, it's okay. Let's keep it healthy. Just intellectually talking, but
I've got a good bet. If the AMD gets you out, you stay to sleep.
no, I disagree.
You don't believe in your bet? In your trade?
I do believe on my trade. It's not a healthy bet.
It's a super healthy bet, actually. It's all about the health. Okay, I need to watch what you're going to do right there, AMD 107.80, because you've got some big orders going through. 81 is going to print soon. oof.
Let me do something with the AMD. I don't want it to mess up anything, so
Okay. Oh, look at you pushing the price up. 81. We found a lot of buyers there because I'm sure a lot of people jumped in because it's crossing the VWAP. Let's go. Let's get some momentum. I want to go to the 200.
Guys, stop loss on AMD 108.31.
Okay. That's a what stop loss?
It's like $1 stop loss.
Holy cannoli. You really don't want to lose that bet?
Well, like
$1?
the tanking,
31?
the tanking is gonna be more than that, in my opinion. So it's just we are not there yet. Like, did I get a good price? No, at all. Like, I mean, I should like today. Today is the day of day we get the worst price you can get, and like
And today's the day that Marie gets the best price she can get. I think we switched that movie where you switch personalities.
yeah.
I've got like no tickets at all. 2 trades. Wow, beautiful.
Like in Uber, like I did good in Uber, but I could do way better because like when I add here, like I got this half of the position here thinking that it won't get to the VWAP. When it got to the VWAP, I said, I know it's not the best price. So then it really tanked and like it wasn't a good price. Nvidia.
You're getting on my nerves. Reprint weight. Perfect. Let's go. Reprint. Maintain 107.8. Come on, do a little spoof there, NVIDIA. AMD. Spoof up. Oh, that tape looks good. Did you see the tape acceleration on NVIDIA? Acceleration to the deceleration? Big orders going through in NVIDIA and not pushing the price action higher. I'm out. I'm going to just
Take a break. Yeah, I gotta take a break too. I need some water. So we're gonna be back in a couple minutes. So Yeah, we're gonna take a little break. See you in a bit, guys.
Bye.
Bye. No, we are back. We are back in a couple minutes.
Yeah.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Right, we are back. So while we were back, AMD got me out. So Marie went to bed. So she, she did very good in there. I got myself out of Nvidia because of the lack of momentum. So now I'm looking to go short. It's about to pick me up right there. So yeah, it's about to pick me up as I say for the short. And let's see if I'm gonna be right on that one. I think yeah, I don't want to front run it, but like yeah, let's see. This thing is strong yet, so come on, get me. Okay, there we go. We got the short on Nvidia. So I just don't see the momentum going on. If we once it print 23 again, we can see what it wants to do. I know this is looking like long yet, but yeah, no, not too convinced of it. So that's why I'm looking short.
I'm looking at AMD, its interaction with the 200,
Mm-hmm.
because we found some sellers there, but we also found some buyers. So 108.50 seems to be important. I want to see what it's going to do from there.
Nice.
Tape is changing very rapidly on AMD, so if it crosses definitively the 200, I think we're home free. We've got SPY now.
We are trying to
That's-
push.
Absolutely, so that helps my trade, though AMD wasn't aligned with SPY at all all morning since it's opened.
I got out of Nvidia and then it worked. It's the joy of trading. Got out
And then
exactly at the candle that I went short, and then
it pops back up.
it's, as I say, the joy of trading. But
Okay. Let's sit back and enjoy our coffee. Let's go! Wow, wow. And can I say wow? Let me say wow again. Let's go. Look at that RSI on AMD. Aye, puppy. Okay, so SPY now, wow, opened above its last candle. Okay, AMD, you better not lose the 200. Because I'm out. Mm-hmm. What? Which one is spoofing?
no, I'm just laughing about what happened to me on NVDA. Like I mean, it's
Well, look at 123.50.
it looks a little bit obvious maybe when you look from far, but like
Yeah.
why is always that candle that you go out and then you do that crazy move? Like now what? Making higher highs. But let's see. I think I know why I came out of the trade, so let's see if it wants to keep going higher, which I doubt. But Is it annoying? Yes, it is very annoying.
It is very annoying when that happens. Hold on. Hold on tight. We're going to the moon.
Yeah, the problem is that when I flip my position like that,
Mm-hmm.
I kind of didn't price in that it was like I say, oh, it won't print 24.
So you didn't price in your 24.
Exactly. So I think it would be maybe smart to go out and then go back in.
Hmm.
But I have to
At a
choose
better
my
price?
fight. Yeah, yeah. But that for it to happen, that will mean that it will need to hold the 23. So let's not be too reactive about it because like
$1.50 in the month. Okay, so 108.80 seems to be a consolidation around there. Is it gonna pop above that? I'm not sure. So do I want to take partial right there instead of leaving it all on the table?
that's AMD.
Mm-hmm. The 108.8 seems to be, when we say a P&L top,
Yeah, plateau.
a plateau. Thank you.
Mhm.
Plateau. Seems like there's a plateau there. But it's a little early to say it's a plateau. But next time it goes there and pulls back, it's a plateau. Like 107 was a bottom.
Mm-hmm.
That could be a top. We'll see. Oh, well, SPY is providing. Printing 180 again, 108.80. Is that the plateau? Nope. It could be. Look at SPY. Did you see SPY?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see SPY? Aye. You know what? I really don't like. I do believe in the move, but I'm taking some partial there. You flicked it too often.
That was AMD.
Yeah. I said that if you touch it again, I will take partial at that plateau. I still have a good position left, so if we still want to play,
Nice.
wow. I shouldn't have done that. I reversed the stock. I just wanted to know if you were still paying attention.
Of course, I'm always paying attention. So.
I created a spoof move with that partial.
Yeah, like that. AMD is okay.
I told you I created a spoof move with that partial.
I find Nvidia so annoying right now because it's like I follow into the trap. I find like
Yeah. Okay, we've got a double top there on SPY.
if I have to guess, it's a triple top. Oh no, it's you break the top. So historically talking, the like little chart, it didn't hold that good in past days. So is it gonna do the same?
Mm-hmm.
I feel the idea of not being too reactive on Nvidia there is correct,
Okay.
but that doesn't mean I feel comfortable holding either. Like I mean, like that chart is not the prettiest chart that I can see. Yes, I know we are holding the VWAP, then we are holding the 50 EMA, but that chart is no. In the 5 minutes looks better, but there is some choppiness going on around here that I do not consider the best.
SPY pushing back up. SPY still has some upward moves. Oh, ¿Tienes hambre?
Mwah.
Mua.
Um, all out of NVDA.
Okay. If AMD makes a lower high, I'm out of AMD.
AMD.
Yeah, if AMD does a lower high on this candle, I'm out. Because this is a beautiful price for AMD, for people to jump in. And if they do not, I will remove myself from the equation.
Hijo de tu mamá.
¿Por qué hijo de tu mamá? Wow, did you see the reaction of SPY on that overnight VWAP?
Spine.
There we go. Thank you, AMD. I want you to do a higher high or I am out. Just make sure that the AMD hears it. So, I'd like to see at 109 how it's going to react. Dollar Club for AMD.
Nice.
How are your trades going?
No good, no good. Look at NVDA. This is NVIDIA. In the 1 minute. Got out, like I was going long from here, got out, long. Then went short because I say it's not gonna break the trend. And then it broke the trend. Got out of the short.
And then it was going in her direction. Ah,
then forget about it. Like, just walk away.
Shit! Come on. Ay.
And then I went short on AMD, and it's like, you know what? It's not
The
there.
market is very wiki today.
Yeah, but I think like that element of the patient is it's not with me today.
Well, you're under the weather as well, right? So. Make a higher high. You heard me, AMD. Or I'm out of your drink. Uh-huh. So SPY right now is interacting with the 50 EMA. Okay, let's go, AMD. Let's go. I need a higher high from you. It really does not want to give me a higher high.
Yeah, like at that higher high said I'm gonna be coming out.
Mm-hmm. For AMD?
Yeah, and if he does it, so
Mm-hmm. Oh, so we're in the same. You're
but
reverse.
I'm short. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Like in BDA.
So SPY right now interacting with the
Yeah.
overnight. Higher high. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. On this candle. Come on. We can go to 92 on this candle. Okay, so SPY is pulling back through both VWAPs, but creating one hell of a wick. Come on, 92 on this candle. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So SPY still reacting well to the overnight and to both VWAPs actually.
So I have the question if I want to go back in the short on NVDA at the retest of the secondary trend there. The test is good, it's looking good, and for me to not go short. But freaking AMD.
I love it. Higher high AMD, or I'm coming up.
I'm out. So
$1.20, $1.30 in the money.
nice.
And there's my higher high. Thank you.
Oh, let's see.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's see NVIDIA what you want to do.
Let's go. 109. I like it.
What? I have Uber there, like, and I have
know what?
another turning, like Uber, coming back up, very nice.
Here comes the money.
Spies maintaining to 100, the 600, but
Yeah, spies. Um, like when I look at spies, like what do you really want to do, my guy? Like I mean, like that's why I say like the chart on BDA is it's okay, but it's not the most beautiful chart. Like I mean, this chart is saying like still a lot of selling here going on. I mean, like yes, we are trending higher and all those good things, but I checked if there was any news related to BDA that I wasn't aware. But like, I guess I did front run a little bit that entry, but like,
okay.
I don't see why it will keep holding there. Like to me, at least a test to the VWAP should be okay, should be doable. So yeah. Good calling AMD, like you were totally right on AMD. Like
Thank you, Davey.
yes, just recuperating everything back. And let's see, AMD. Yeah, like when I zoom out on AMD, like 110 should be doable. This one is one that I did analyze, but
Mm-hmm.
you know the previous low here is 110. So like again, like maybe you wanna go short, wait for it to go to 110. Your 1.8 was okay previously, but now it's 110 that you need to wait for it.
Absolutely.
Like Nvidia is printing like I don't think Nvidia is gonna print 24 today, but
You don't believe so?
no, I don't think so. But I don't want to limit too much the move neither. You know, like
And that's what it is. We are, sometimes our state of mind can limit a move.
But like, it's not because I like the reason why I think it will be hard for it to go to 124 is because he had a lot of trouble at 22. First, no, even like he had a lot of trouble at 21.
120, yeah, 21,
Then at
23.
22. Then at 23. Yes, it is breaking through, but the level of resistance that we have experienced every dollar, at some point, like, hey, that's why I say I pull back to the VWAP makes sense with all the resistance we have experienced, and it's not even doing that. So, am I being smart by going short there? I don't necessarily think so. I'm gonna have AMD clock here just to see what it wants to do. If AMD go to 110, I'm gonna try. But before you get there, it's okay. I just so.
So did you want to wrap it up, Davey?
Yeah, sure. And so yeah, like basically, like I had a call for the Nvidia loan very early here. The market wasn't even open, but I didn't want to take it, and I play a little bit too much chicken there. So like I should be in from around 18, 19, 118, 119. Okay, I got a okay price. Then I hold through all this trouble here, and got out with like 3-4 hours. Then went short here, took a loss, then short again, and now like my stop loss is at 123.31. It's very close to there. It may get me out, but yeah, still like in Nvidia, I think like I am still green, but not by a lot. Uh, then I took, well, the one I took before was Uber. This was a very good trade, and I I short half of the position here. Then I short the other half, and partial, 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 partial. Still have like 25% of the position, and I could add to that if I want because I think my average price is not that bad. But let's see. I want to see if it want if it is wanting to go back to 160 64.17 as it did a lower low from the 64. So, but let's see what it wants to do. So good trading over, nice profit in there. Then AMD, I started like that was like playing with Marie, but like not the best idea here. Like she got it totally right. So, and yeah, I went counter and I took 2 losses on AMD. So I will be looking short on AMD because I think it is a short, but somewhere around one thing, like that's a multiple month level there, that one thing. So yeah, so Nvidia got me out as you can see. So, but yeah, that's basically it for me. I am red, but not by a lot. So due to some good trades, but like the rest was very crappy. Nvidia really tests my frustration here with uh, going out. This is AMD, Nvidia. So Nvidia move exactly when I go out, move against me when I flip, and then when I got out, it move in my favor. And now it's doing the same. Like, but it's okay. So yeah, it's a work in progress. So I have to deal with those hiccups. So what about you, Marie? What did you do?
Wow. A good day. It's a good day. So the one that required the most patience is AMD for me. So AMD, I took it at 107 initially. Then I added when it pulled back. So I took AMD just to give you an idea. I took AMD at 942. It didn't do much, didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing to it, but add at 1036 and 1038. And wow, beautiful trade.
Nice.
I was going long for all. I took partial because I was mentioning, I think you remember that plateau. So there was a plateau that I saw that it was at 108.80. So it hit a few times, then pulled back, but I said, no, you know what, let's be disciplined. So I took my first partial at 108.80. Then when it pulled back to 108, I added there, took my second partial at 109, and I'm still in the trade, 125 in. So that was great. NVIDIA, well, we remember, right? For NVIDIA, I had my order at 121. I did not move it, which was fantastic. Got it at 121 exactly. Then went for the long. I wasn't too disciplined there because I should have taken my first partial at 123, but I did not. I actually took it at 122.50, my first partial, and I got out completely at 122.60 when it was pulling back. So I left some money on the table there. I took SMCI at a bad price. I did a loss there, so that was a 2-hour loss. I took SMCI at 31. And when I took it at 31, thinking it was a pullback, it just flushed through and I got out at 30.50. So that was a little bit of a bad call on myself. And I just walked away. But technically, when we're looking at day long, left a lot, right? So we've got the 30 here. I could have went 30 at a better price and then held it to the 33. I did not. I just walked away completely from that loss. And now I'm in AMD, still printing, and yeah, we'll see how that's going to come out. I took SMCI when at 31.50. I'm still printing, so we'll see what that's going to happen. That's what I should have done it. Take it at the VWAP the first time, but I front run it a little bit, and then I got swamped. But now I'm printing, and that's about it for me. So SPY
Nice.
right now is doing a new daily high. So wow,
Very nice.
wow.
Yeah. Cool.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's everything for today. Let's see what if we can improve those things, like watching the tape, all those good things that we really need to pay attention to.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, we're gonna be here tomorrow. I hope everybody have a good day and enjoy.
Bye.
Bye.